Visit us at Eduvo. Thank you for calling Eduvo.
Let us know what is overflow. I have a variable of type character x, and in this I am storing a value. What is the maximum value that I can store in a character type variable? So the range of character type variable is minus 128 to 127. So can I store 130 here? No. Compiler may give warning. It depends on the compiler. If I store 127, this is the maximum value. So this is valid value. Now, in this, if I say x plus plus, then what happens? So this is the maximum value it is already having. Then if I say plus plus, so in this 127, in this plus 1 is added. So there is no capacity present. So there is no possibility of storing 128. So then it will come down to the next value in the beginning, that minus 128. So this is called as overflow. So if I say x plus plus and if I say cout and I display this as a type integer, that is x, then I'll get the result as minus 128. How this is happening, I'll show you. See, character takes 8 bits. In these 8 bits, when 127 is stored, then it will be 111111. As this is a sign bit, as a positive number, so this will be 0. This is how it looks like when 127 is stored. In that, when you are saying x plus plus, so 1 is added to this one. So when you add plus 1, I'll remove this. When 1 is added, what will be the result? 1 plus 1 is, see, in binary form 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 is 1 0. So 0 carry 1, then 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1, 0 and carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1. So this is 1 and this is minus 128 in 2's complement form, because this bit has become one sign bit, it's a negative number. That's how it will take a cyclic value. So from 127 it will come to minus 128. Similarly, if I am writing minus 128 here and I say x minus minus, so it cannot decrement further, it cannot become minus 129. So it will take that value circularly and then it becomes 127 and the result that will be displayed here will be 127. So this I have taken an example of character and I have shown you it is true for integer type also, long type also. Let us see what overflow is. Here I will take one variable of type character x. In this I will assign value 127, then I will say cout, display it in integer form, that is x, and NL. Let us see what I get. This is valid value within the range, so I am getting 127. Let me assign 128. This is out of the range because the maximum value that I can store in a character is 127. So I got a prompt. I got a warning here, that is implicit conversion from int to char changes value from minus 128 to minus 128. As I said, that overflow means it will take a cyclic value from after 127, that is the maximum, it will turn into a minimum value possible. So let us run and see what output we get. See, minus 128. If I take it as 127 only and I say x plus plus, then let us see what happens. It's the same thing again. So it's overflow, value is overflown and it will take the next value. I will assign 130. So 130 gives me minus 125. So overflow, so it has taken the cyclic result. Now I will take the value as 128 and in that I will subtract x minus minus. This means the smallest value is 128, then still decrementing it will take the largest value of type character, that is 127. Yes, it is 127. So this is a overflow in the character. Character takes just 1 byte. So I have taken the example of a character. You can do it with the integer also. Let me try with integer. Integer x assign int max. So this is the maximum integer value. Then after this, if I say x plus, okay, let me print this one and see. Maximum integer is 2147483647. Now if I say x plus plus, then it should take a smallest value. This is the smallest value that is possible in integer, that is minimum integer. So that's it. This is about overflow.